Latitude and longitude. In this video, scientists will be able to find any location on Earth by using latitude and longitude. First, let's review latitude. Remember that latitude is a measure of distance north or south of the equator. The farther you move away from the equator, the bigger the latitude gets, all the way up until the North Pole and South Pole, which are 90 degrees north and south. Longitude are lines that go north and south. And what they do is they measure the distance east or west of the prime meridian. The prime meridian is a special line, like the equator, that has a longitude of 0 degrees. You can see it on the right as that red line going from the North Pole to the South Pole. Longitude tells you how far away you are from that prime meridian. Now, using latitude and longitude, we can pinpoint any location on Earth. If you're looking at the map, you could see that Washington, D.C. is 39 degrees north latitude, which means 39 degrees away from the equator, and it is 77 degrees west longitude, or it is 77 degrees to the left of the prime meridian. And when we write latitude and longitude, it's always in that order. You always list the latitude first, followed by the longitude. So for example, you might write 60 degrees north, 30 degrees east. That would be a latitude and longitude pair. Or you would say 85 degrees south by 20 degrees west. Again, latitude first, followed by longitude. So let's try some examples. See if you can determine the latitude and longitude of location A. Looking at location A, we can see that it has a latitude of 60 degrees north by 150 degrees east. Let's try location B. Here I can see that location B has a latitude of 10 degrees north and a longitude of 50 degrees west. Let's try C. Location C has a latitude of 60 degrees south by 10 degrees east. You can also do the reverse skill. Perhaps I might give you the latitude and longitude, and you could find that location on Earth. So let's try number 1. Let's see if you can find on the map 50 degrees north by 70 degrees east. If you're having trouble, imagine an imaginary line going 50 degrees north and another line on 70 degrees east. Where those two lines intersect is where that dot should be. Number 2 is 10 degrees south by 60 degrees west. Again, imagine an imaginary line going left to right at 10 degrees south and another one at 60 degrees west. Where those two lines meet is your second location. Location 3 has a latitude of 0, which means it's on the equator, and a longitude of 30 degrees east. So location 3 appears here. Location 4 has a latitude of 50 degrees north by 0 degrees, which means it's on 50 degrees north, but it's also on the prime meridian. So when the longitude is 0, it's on the imaginary prime meridian, or 0 degrees longitude.